The coronavirus pandemic having a huge impact on gas production. New here at 4 o'clock, Stephanie Milani from AAA explains a historic agreement made over the weekend and what it means for you when you head to the gas pump.
Here in Knoxville, as well as nationwide, gas prices continue to drop. We're about 45 cents cheaper right now than we were a month ago, and almost $1 cheaper right now than we were last year. Now, demand is obviously a lot lower than it was previously. We're also seeing that both gasoline stock and crude supply, they are all going up to almost historic levels across the United States. Now, yesterday, OPEC and other petroleum-producing countries did come to a historic agreement. What they said is in May and June, they will decrease their output by 10 million barrels per day. That's about 10% of the global supply. So they're going to cut production in an effort to stabilize crude prices. So it's not likely to have an impact on gasoline prices, at least in the short term. We could see some volatility as far as crude oil prices go, but we shouldn't see any big increases at the pump. In fact, AAA is still predicting in April that we will see a national average of $1.70. That would be about 16 cents less than where we are now, but it could even be a deeper discount than that.